Starting with our main routing module, we define our application routes here. You can see an object in the routes array with a path named feature. The load children property is a function that uses the dynamic import to fetch the feature module only when it is needed. This is how lazy loading is implemented. By calling the forRoute method on router module, we ensure that this is our route routing configuration. Here we have our feature module. It's a standard Angular module that encapsulates all the components, services, and other dependencies that belong to this feature. Note that it imports feature routing module, which handles the routing for this feature. This allows the feature to have its own independent set of routes. The feature routing module is where we define the child routes specific to the feature. Here, we define a route that corresponds to the feature component. We use router module for child to make sure these routes are treated as children of our main application route, and this is crucial for the lazy loading to work. Lastly, this is our feature component, which is the main component of the feature module. When the feature route is activated, this component gets loaded. It can have its own initialization logic, services, and dependent components, fully independent from the rest of the application. This compartmentalization of features allows us to load only what is needed, when it's needed. Particularly on mobile devices with slower network connections, lazy loading can significantly speed up the application's initial load time, making your app more responsive and user-friendly.